my dear learners, and welcome to Math TV Lessons channel. So today we have a topic to discuss, and I know that you are excited and I know you are excited to learn something new today. So I want you to bear with me as we go on to our topic. So now let's start. Our topic today is all about divisibility rule of 2, 5, and 10. Why is it important to study divisibility rule of a whole number? Knowing the divisibility rules helps us find the factor of a large number by just looking into the digits. Divisibility rule is a shortcut in figuring out if a certain number is divisible by 2, 5, and 10 without dividing the numbers. We will start the rule of 2. When can we say that a number is divisible by 2? A number is divisible by 2 when the last digit of a number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. And in short, the number is an even number. Example, 24. 24 is divisible by 2 because it is an even number, or the last digit ends with 4. Another, 38. 38 is divisible by 2 because it is an even number, or the last digit ends with 8. Another one is 4,696. Is it divisible by 2? Yes, divisible by 2 because it is an even number, or it ends with a digit 6. So, as I said, the rule of 2 states that a number is divisible by 2 when the last digit of a number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Now let's proceed to divisible by 5, or the rule of 5. When can we say that a number is divisible by 5? A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit of a number ends with 0 or 5. Example is 50. 50 is divisible by 5. Why? Because 50 ends with a digit 0. Another one is 125. 125 is divisible by 5. Why? Because the last digit is 5. So divisible by 5. Another one. So we are having a large number. So 6,390. So 6,390 is divisible by 5 because the last digit is 0. So again, the rule of 5 states that a number is divisible by 5 if the last digit of a number is a 0 or 5. Now let's proceed to the rule of 10. When can we say that a number is divisible by 10? Very simple. This is the easiest rule among others. Why? Because you will just simply look at the last digit. If the last digit is 0, meaning the number is divisible by 10. Example, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 91, and so on and so forth. Another example, 110. 110 is divisible by 10. Why? Because the last digit is 0. 2,340. 2,340 is divisible by 10 because the last digit is 0. 480. 480 is divisible by 10 because the last digit is 0. Okay? So I repeat, the rule of 10 states that the number is divisible by 10 if the last digit ends with 0. Okay, so this time, let us check if you really understand the rule of 2, the rule of 5, and the rule of 10. Let's have a short exam. So we'll start the rule of 2. You will just say yes if it is divisible by 2. Okay? Very good. So example, 40. Is it divisible by 2? Yes or no? Very good. Yes. Why? Because it ends with 0. Or the number 40 is an even number. $374. Is it divisible by 2? Yes or no? Very good. Yes, because it ends with a digit 4. Or the 374 is an even number. Okay, this one. 4,562,398. Is it divisible by 2? Yes, divisible by 2 because the last digit is 8. Okay, how about this one? 485. 485, is it divisible by 2? Oh no! No. 485 is not divisible by 2 because the last digit is 5. Very good. Now let's proceed to the rule of 5. Just tell me if this number is divisible by 5 or not. 55. Yes, divisible by 5 because the last digit is 5. 210. Is it divisible by 5? Yes, divisible by 5 because it ends with 0. 367. Is it divisible by 5? Oh no! Why? Because the last digit is 7. Next, let's proceed to rule number 10. Just tell me if the number is divisible by 10 or not. 120. Is it divisible by 10? Yes. 480. Is it divisible by 10? Yes, divisible by 10 because it ends with digit 0. 5,681,340. Is it divisible by 10? Yes, because it ends with 0. Very simple. How about this one? 591. Is it divisible by 10? Oh no! Why? Because the last digit is 1 or doesn't end with 0. Okay, so let's have a short review. So rule of 2 states that a number is divisible by 2 when the last digit ends with 0, 4, 6, and 8, or if the number is an even number. Rule of 5 states that a number is divisible by 5 when it ends with a digit 5. Rule of 10 states that a number is divisible by 10 if the last digit ends with 0. So I hope that you understand the lesson for today. So thank you so much for listening. That's all the topic for today. And do not forget the divisibility rule by 2, 5, and 10. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.